Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone are doing good. So, in today's class, I am here to present on the topic soil nailing method of ground improvement. It will be an interactive session based on DT-based content delivery as we follow in our institutions. So today we will be having a group activity and also a seminar delivered by Mr. Simon. So what is ground improvement? Ground improvement is a process of improving the soil by increasing the density and also other characteristics of soil by means of compaction and also by adding certain amount of chemicals and various other methods. So, can you list out the methods of ground improvement? Can anyone? Please be louder.
Geotextiles.
Geotextiles method. Okay. Next, Arun.
Impact load.
Impact load. Okay. Nishant. Mechanical compaction. Mechanical compaction.
Dynamic conservation.
Dynamic conservation. So these are all the various methods involved in the process of ground improvement. So in order to make the soil more stable and increase the strength and stability of the soil so that it can withstand any amount of loading acting on it. So over to Mr. Simon, he will be explaining about the soil nailing method of ground improvement.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to say about soil nailing. Soil nailing is a technique of use to reinforce soil to make stable. This soil nailing also used to make soil stable and also used to maintain slopes, excavation, retaining walls and also more stable in article shed, light, more draining techniques and also it has types and also application. The soil nailing is a unique technique used in reinforced with shelter elements and reinforcement bars. These reinforcement bars are used mainly in slope areas, excavation areas and also in industrial areas. These reinforcement bars are installed in pre-drilled holes and grouted. These pre-drilled holes are used in excavation areas and the grout. What is meant the grout? Grout is already mixed elements that are used in industry area and these nails are installed and inclined with 10 to 20 degree with vertical. That means every single nails are in 10 to 20 degree nails with a vertical degree of element. It also maintained a vertical degree element. As you see in the picture, it is a soil nailing element. Each drill has 10 to 20 meter difference and also each pre-drilled hole inside it. There are types of soil nailing: drilled and grounded soil nailing method. This method is used in holes drilled in walls and slope faces. The nails are entered in pre-drilled holes and finally these nails are ranged between 100 and 200 millimeter with spacing of difference in 1.5 meters. This, as you see, this is a picture of drilled soil nailing. Our next topic is drilled soil nailing method. This is also a temporary stabilized soil slope. In dried soil method, nails are slopes faced in excavation. This is mainly used in excavation method, and its diameter is around 19 mm to 25 mm, which is a comparatively small. Lastly, this nails measure in 1 meter to 2 meter radius spacing. This is a dried soil nailing picture. And next is self-drilling and soil nailing method. This self-drilling soil nailing method are hollow bars used to drain the soil method. Bars are drilled into slope surface area. These are used in slope surface area and injected simultaneously during drill dance process. Processing of drilling are used in simultaneous area. It is faster drilling grounded method. Self-drilling nailing method provides more corrosion essential draining and driven materials. It's a picture of self-drilling soil nailing. Jet grounded soil nailing. This is used in mostly in US side and foreign country side also method. After the steel was installed molds, the grounded with concrete, the jet flow of water pressures form in faces areas, and it ejects a corrosion process. The steel was released. Thank you.
Thank you, Simon, for a wonderful presentation on soil nailing method. Hope this video will be useful to everyone. Thank you, and let's meet again in another session.